Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Alright, how you doing? So we're going to make some fried chicken. This is very, very spicy, kind of Indian style, kind of dry fry. It's really, really delicious. It's not going to take long at all. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to start off with our chicken. And what I've got there is a 1 kg, which is about 2.2 pound chicken, skin on, bone in. I've cut it into 8 pieces, one whole chicken cut into 8 pieces. You can cut it smaller if you want, because they're quite chunky, those bits. What we're going to do is we're going to add to that chicken salt, pepper, turmeric, and chili powder. I've got about 2 teaspoons of each right there. We're going to add a little bit of oil to it just to kind of bind it up. Let's get on with that. So I've just popped that chicken into a larger bowl. Going to add some oil. I'm just using a sunflower oil here, just a little bit of oil in there. Then we're going to add the salt, pepper, turmeric, and the chili powder. In that goes. And you can see I've got a glove on because I'm just going to get in there and give it a good mix, and then we can go to the cooker. Okay, so we're at the cooker now. There's no oil in there because we've got enough oil in with the mixture of the chicken. The heat's on, just above medium. So we're gonna take the chicken and we're gonna drop it in. And you can see that my pieces are quite large. I mean, like I say, you could have cut this again, you know, much smaller, each piece again in half. Put the balance of the oil and the spices in. So it's just slightly above medium heat. We're going to be frying that around for about 8 or 9 minutes or so. So while our chicken is cooking away there, let's just have a look at the other ingredients. So I've got 1, 2, 3, that's a cup each basically of sliced onions, sliced green peppers, sliced tomato, tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, fresh cilantro, half a cup, or coriander, whatever you call that, and then quite a lot. I mean, I've got about 8, I think, fresh chilies there, which I've cut straight down the middle. Okay, so I've been going about 8 or 9 minutes now. Now, it's really important, especially because of the size of my chicken, that you don't have the heat up too high, you know, sort of medium, just above medium, so it cooks nicely inside. Okay, we're now going to turn the heat up to maximum now, full blast, and we're going to go in with that 1 cup of sliced onion and the 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. We're going to be frying this around for about 3 minutes. Okay, so with the heat still on full blast, we're going to add that 1 tomato. And what that's going to do is just give us a little bit of moisture as it cooks. We're then going to go in with that bell pepper and then lots of fresh chili. Again, about another 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so the peppers are still crunchy. Off goes the heat, in goes the cilantro or coriander, whatever you want to call that. We're going to give it one final mix and it's done. It's an absolutely beautiful, spicy chicken dish that we've made in absolutely no time. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go. You can see I've just plated that up and put some sliced lemon and tomato around the edge. It's really, really easy. It's really spicy. It's really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, everyone. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.